Today is Friday. Ooh, happy Friday. 10/26/18. Language. Let's see. Okay. Um, what I mean by binomial is that it's made up of two terms. Okay. Make sure you put parentheses on the binomials or when you have more than one term, because when you cross multiply, it's easy to make a mistake of not distributing the entire problem. Okay. So I have, because we're multiplying 5 times the entire numerator, okay, that's why I want parentheses. So I have 5 times the quantity x minus 2 equals 10 times 4. How do I get what? Oh, it's the other cross multiplication. Okay. So now I have to distribute the 5. So I get 5 times x, 5 times negative 2, and then 10 times 4. Now solve for x. Good. Good. Okay, let's see. Let's do some more practice ones. Might as well go ahead and do example 2. Cross multiply. Good. So I can multiply the 2 and the 10. I get 20d. Yep. Divide by 20. Yep. Yep. We're going to get a decimal. 2.25. Try to get my handy. I think it's 2.25. Oh, I don't know what's charged. I think yeah, I did charge. Cool. 2.25. Okay, number 3. Yes, sir. Oh, I messed it up. It's just a 4 in parentheses. Okay. Boy, we are missing a lot of people today. Which one? Yeah, we have to do 3 and 4. Okay, number 3. Well, we're still going to cross multiply, but I have 2 terms, so I'm going to put in my parentheses here. So I have 4 times the parentheses, the quantity 3x minus 2. I have another set of parentheses here. I have 8 times the quantity x plus 4. And now I have 2 distributions. 4 times 3x. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 8 times x. And 8 times 4. Okay, now that made variables on both sides of the equation. Oh, you could do the 8s first. Add 8. And then I'm going to subtract 8x. Good. Okay. Now, you're going to have, every once in a while, you're going to have an example like number 4. What happens when I cross multiply y times y? Careful. This is y to the first times y to the first. That's y squared. Because you have to add the exponent. I get y squared equals 64. And does anybody know how to get rid of the power of 2? How do I undo the power of 2? Anyone? Except Dylan. Or Sean. How do I undo the power of 2? I got to get y by itself. Square root both sides. Because this cancels out the power of 2. Okay. So I get y equals, now when I take the square root of a number, I have to consider both the positive and negative. Does anybody remember the square root of 64? Put it in your calculators. Square root 64. Huh? No. 8. What are you doing?